Hi. Welcome to this introduction video to domain names, website, and web hosting. Here is Joey to explain the differences and how they are related. It will be easier for you to understand what you will have to do to make this all working together.
Thank you, Kendra. First, while they are closely connected, you will need to manage your domain name and your website separately. We'll show you how in the coming videos. What is interesting for you to know, at this time, registering a domain doesn't automatically create a website. It only means that you've registered the domain. You will need to set up a website somewhere. And that can be at the same place you registered your domain name, but most probably, you will host your site with another company, experts in web hosting. Web hosting companies are companies that house, serve and maintain websites. You can see them as a shopping center that contains several individual stores. If you want to open a store at the shopping center, you can lease space and set up a shop. Just like a shopping center, website hosting lease space in their center, filled with computers, called web servers. The main task of these servers is to answer internet requests to access files and pages of websites. As for the back office, these companies manage these websites for their owners, businesses and freelancers like you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video about the terminology used in web hosting.